Hello, Creative Gems. Welcome to Creativity. Today's home decor piece will be a modern but very glam candle holder inspired by Gallerie's own concentric rings candle holder. We are going to take several dollar store wooden embroidery hoops and transform them to a showpiece that everyone will love. I found this pack of wooden embroidery hoops at the Dollarama. This pack comes with 3 hoops in 3 different sizes. To begin, we're going to remove the screws, and using a wrench, we will bend down the metal pieces so they can conform to the circular shape of the hoop. And while we work on that, I would like to take a moment to thank you for tuning in to today's craft project. If you enjoy glam home decor and DIY crafts on a budget, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on any of my glam home decor DIYs. And if you like what you see today, please give me a thumbs up as well. Your support will help me continue providing you with more amazing and creative craft tutorials. Next, we are going to take one of the hoops and start embellishing it with some mirror tiles. Here, I'm measuring out how many mirror tiles will fit across the width of the hoop, and it looks like we will need 2 rows. These mini mirror tiles come with an adhesive backing, so no additional glue is required. And as you work on the outside of the hoop, don't forget that we'll want to cover the inside of the hoop as well. And if you don't happen to have any mini mirror tiles on hand, you could simply paint the hoops with some silver metallic paint or any other color you prefer. When both the outer and inner portion of the hoop is covered with the mini mirror tiles, go in and cover the sides of the hoop as well. Here I have chosen this flat back silver beaded ribbon. This ribbon comes with a self-adhesive backing as well, so no additional glue is required unless you prefer some extra hold. Now that the hoop is completely embellished, we're going to need to make a platform for it to stand on. We're going to take one of these plastic wine glasses from the Dollar Tree and remove the silver base from the glass. A gentle tug should do the trick. Now you can see that I have left about a centimeter of space on a section of the outer part of the hoop where there is no mirror tiles adhered to it. This is so we can adhere the base of the wine glass directly into the wooden hoop. I'm going to use some hot glue to adhere the two pieces together, but if you prefer an extra firm hold, you could also add some Fix-All or E6000. And here's what the hoop looks like sitting on the silver base. Pop a silver tea light holder like this one from the dollar store into the center, and you have an elegant piece to place on your table. This piece is a very simple version of the concentric rings candle holder I saw at Gallerie. This piece is a very simple version of the concentric rings candle holder I saw at Gallerie. But now what we want to do is replicate the Gallerie version of the concentric rings candle holder by using up the additional hoops we embellished earlier. The Gallerie version has a total of 9 hoops, but my version will only have a total of 5 hoops. So what we need to do is keep the largest hoop in the center and then adhere the smaller hoops on either side of the largest hoop. With the silver base, it has a curve to it, so you can sit the smaller hoops on the sides and secure each with some hot glue. And just as we did earlier, make sure you leave about a centimeter gap where there is no mini mirror tiles so the hoop can adhere directly to the base with some glue. And make sure as you work your way out, the hoops get smaller as you get away from the center. Once done, you can experiment with a variety of different tea light holders to place in the center. You can either keep the original one I had earlier, or you can see in a few moments I have taken a small round tin lid and placed it in the center. And for the candle, I have chosen to place a battery-operated LED candle inside the center. I find that LED candles are so much safer and easy to use. Although the Gallerie version is gold, I think making mine in silver with a mirror finish gives it a very elegant and glam look. Let me know in the comments if I did a good job replicating the Gallerie version. And here is another one where I have placed a small square silver bowl in the center. The silver bowl I used has a mirror-like finish and came in a 4-pack from the Dollar Tree. Comment down below and let me know which piece you like the best. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to my channel and share with other creative gems. Also, hit the notification bell and be sure to check out my candle holder playlist for more creative ideas for your home.